welcome back to my channel, channel. Today I want to unboxing gold play button. This is the gold play button. Let's unboxing. I didn't think it's real because maybe it's real if I trust. It looks different than the gold play button. Look, there is a box here. It's okay, but it's real gold play button. Okay guys, I didn't share and I didn't believe it. Well, right? It's quite hard to open, guys. Maybe. Oh. Oh my god. Oh my god, guys. Look. It's real. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Look at the silver. Look at the silver. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay guys, maybe this is all my video for today. Bye. See you in the next video.